Hi everyone! I am Carl Cantumpong, a BS Ed Mathematics student of Kapalong College of Agriculture, Sciences, and Technology, who is passionate and really love mathematics subject. In this video, we will be learning all about the determinants. We will learn how to find the determinant of a 2x2 matrix and a 3x3 matrix. So just stay put there and relax, and we will learn together. So today, we will learn about determinants. So determinants is one of the topic of the M11 and 2 linear algebra. So before we are going to dive into the different meanings or the topic itself, let's have our objective first. So at the end of this video lesson, learners will be able to A. State what a determinant is. B. Compute determinant of a 2x2 and a 3x3 matrices. And C. Decide whether a matrix is invertible or not. So, let's start. What is determinants? A determinant of a matrix is a scalar value or a number calculated using a square matrix. So, if we are going to find the determinant, so we are expected to have a scalar value. And we can do this by calculating using square matrix. So square matrix means that the number of columns and the number of rows of a matrix is the same. So for example, we have here a 2x2 matrix. That means that the number of rows is 2 and the number of columns is 2. That is one of the example of square matrix. Whereas a determinant, we can find only the determinant if the matrix is a square matrix. So let's start finding the determinant of a 2x2 matrix. So how we will do this? So the determinant of a 2x2 matrix or given matrix A that has an element of A, B, and C, D, we can get its determinant by simply getting the difference of the product of AD and BC. Or we can just cross multiply it. So A times D and B times C. Then we will get its difference. So for example, we have here the matrix A whose an element of 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So we can get its determinant by using its formula. So we have cross multiply 1 times 4 and 2 times 3. So we have 1 times 4 minus 2 times 3. Then simplify, that is 4 minus 6. Then 4 minus 6 is equals to negative 2, and that is the determinant of this matrix. So next one is getting the determinants of a 3x3 matrix. So how we can do that? Given the matrix B that has an element of A sub 1, A sub 2, A sub 3, B sub 1, B sub 2, B sub 3, and C sub 1, C sub 2, and C sub 3. So we can get its determinant by having this formula. So yeah, it is more complicated than the determinant of the 2x2 matrix. So let's get it one by one. So first is we will get the product of A sub 1, which is this, and the determinant of the remaining 2x2 matrix. So how we can get the remaining 2x2 matrix? So we just simply cross over all elements that is aligned with the A sub 1. So here it is, B sub 2, C sub 2, B sub 3, and C sub 3. That is the remaining 2x2 matrix. Okay. Next is subtract by A sub 2, which is this, multiplied to the determinant of the remaining matrix. So which is we will crush out this matrices, and the remaining matrix is B sub 1, B sub 3, C sub 1, and C sub 3. So next is plus A sub 3 multiplied to the determinant of the remaining matrix. So we will crush out this elements, and we have here B sub 1, B sub 2, C sub 1, and C sub 2. So that's how we get this formula. So after this, we will simplify this, and we have A times the quantity of B sub 2, C sub 3 minus B sub 3, C sub 2 minus A sub 2 times quantity of B sub 1, C sub 3 minus B sub 3, C sub 1 plus A sub 3 times B sub 1 C sub 2 minus B sub 2 C sub 1. So this given or this elements is from the determinant of these matrices. So we will find the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. So given matrix B whose an element of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is a 3 by 3 matrix because it has 3 columns and 3 rows. So we can find this determinant by simply following the formula that we have earlier. So which is this, A sub 1 times the determinant of B sub 2, B sub 3, C sub 2, C sub 3 minus A sub 2 times the determinant of B sub 1, B sub 3, C sub 1, C sub 3 plus A sub 3 times the determinant of B sub 1, B sub 2, C sub 1, and C sub 2. So let's put the value of this. We have 1 times the determinant of 5, 6, 8, 9 minus 2 times the determinant of 4, 6, 7, 9 plus 3 times the determinant of 4, 5, 7, 8. So let's get the determinant of these matrices. We get 1 times the quantity of 5 times 9 minus 6 times 8 minus 2 times quantity of 4 times 9 minus 6 times 7 plus 3 times quantity of 4 times 8 minus 5 times 7. So let's simplify these numbers under the bracket and we can get 1 times negative 3 minus 2 times negative 6 then plus 3 times negative 3. So do the math, we can get negative 3 or minus 3 plus 12 minus 9. Then simplify, we can get its determinant or the determinant of this matrix is 0. So that's how we can find the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. Next is we will learn about inverse matrix, or when we can say that the matrix is invertible. So a matrix A of dimension n times n is called invertible if and only if there exists another matrix B of the same dimension such that A times B is equals to B times A and equals to I, where I is the identity matrix of the same order. So identity matrix is those matrix that has its diagonal A all 1 and all the other element is 0. That is the identity matrix. And in this video, we will not learn on how to find the inverse matrix because that is a long process. But I will make a separate video for this topic. So how we will know that the matrix has its inverse matrix or it is invertible given that we will not solve for its inverse matrix. So from the property of determinants, it says that if the determinant of a matrix is non-zero, then the matrix has an inverse. So from this property, that we can say that a matrix that has a positive or negative determinant, then that matrix has an inverse or it is invertible. So we will go back to our example earlier and we will determine if that matrix is invertible. So from this example, a 2 by 2 matrix, we get a determinant of negative 2. So that means that this matrix has its inverse matrix and it is invertible. From this matrix, the 3 by 3 matrix, we get its determinant 0. So that means that this matrix is not invertible. So let's sum up of all of our learnings from this video. We can get the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix by this formula. The determinant of matrix A is equals to A times D minus B times C. And the determinant of the matrix B is equals to A sub 1 times the determinant of B sub 2, B sub 3, C sub 2, C sub 3 minus A sub 2 times the determinant of B sub 1, B sub 3, C sub 1, C sub 3 plus A sub 3 times the determinant of B sub 1, B sub 2, C sub 1, C sub 2. And lastly is that if the determinant of a matrix is non-zero, then the matrix has an inverse. So I hope that you learned something from these lessons. So before we will conclude this video, let's have an activity first. So for this activity, here is the direction. Find the determinant of the given matrix. You will be given 30 seconds to answer it, and if the time is not enough, then you can just pause the video until you get the answer. So we will find the determinant of a 3x3 matrix. So this is the 3x3 matrix. Matrix B, whose element is 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So you will be given 30 seconds to answer it, and timer starts now. So time is up and we will show the answer. So finding the determinant of this matrix, and if you get an answer of 0 or you have the same answer with me, then your answer is correct. So let's give a round of applause for ourselves.
And we are done talking about the determinants, and I am confident that you'll learn something from me. And that ends for this video. Again, I am Carl Kentumpong, leaving a quote from Nelson Mandela that education is the most powerful weapon that you can use to change the world. So don't forget to click the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. So thank you for watching and see you on my next videos. Thank you.